So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in display settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you could see all your monitors right here. If you have multiple monitors and you want to choose a certain monitor, you could just click on it. And now once you've selected your monitor, you want to scroll down, and then from here you can set display resolution. It will tell you what's the recommended resolution. I recommend going with that. You could also set your scale as well, which will change the size of text, apps and other items. And you could also change your display orientation as well. Your graphics card may also come with a software that allows you to change resolution as well. So for me, I have an NVIDIA graphics card and it comes with the NVIDIA control panel. You might have an AMD graphics card, it will come with the AMD Radeon software. So if you're using the NVIDIA control panel, you want to head over to the change resolution tab, and then you could just choose any resolution that you want. And then you could change the resolution from here, from the options that are here. If you want to use a custom resolution, then you can click on customize, and then you could just set a custom one right here. If for some reason you cannot change your resolution by trying these two methods, then you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters, and then you want to right click on your graphics card and click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers installed for your device. I'm also going to leave 3 links down below for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. So for me, I have an NVIDIA graphics card and I got GeForce Experience. Now once you're on your software, you want to click on the drivers tab and then click on check for updates. Make sure that you have the latest drivers installed. Then you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.